This gorgeous, move-in ready, Craftsman-style home is ideally located near multiple parks, schools, and shopping in the quiet town of Cornelius. You'll enjoy a quick commute to Intel and Costco as they are just a short 15-minute drive away. The impressive front entry welcomes you home. Step inside and discover a light and bright interior with inviting open spaces for entertaining. The family room is well appointed with a cozy gas fireplace and beautiful architectural details. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, including a refrigerator and gas range, as well as a convenient pantry. Double doors open to the main level office, filled with natural light. Upstairs, unwind in the luxurious vaulted primary suite. It's complete with a spa-like bath featuring a large shower, tranquil soaking tub, a dual sink vanity, and a spacious walk-in closet. This home of more than 3,100 square feet has 4 more generously sized bedrooms, new carpet, new interior paint, and new air conditioning equipment have all recently been added to this home. Plus another full bath and a convenient laundry room. Outside, the fully fenced backyard with sprinklers provides a private oasis for relaxation and entertainment. The 3-car garage offers ample space for parking, along with room for storage. Impeccable style and functionality in a fantastic neighborhood. It's all here, ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.